Let's make a fish sandwich. So what I'm going to do first is just dredge the fish in some flour and cornmeal mixed. And it won't take much because it's only a couple of fillets, but it's 2 to 1. The flour will stick to the fish because I'm going to do them dry. And then the cornmeal is where you get that nice crunchy effect, because I'm going to bake them, not fry them. Then just a real little bit of seasoning in here, a little bit of Cayenne, a little bit of Cajun seasoning. This one is Zatarain's Creole seasoning. I like that Tony Chachere's pretty good too. A little bit of onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder. And that's all. Just kind of mix it up. And then if you just shake the pan a little bit, you end up like that. And then we'll put that fish right in there. So what I got here is just, they were frozen. It's called Swai. And they're real mellow, real mild. And they make good sandwiches. Pat it dry. And then into the dredge. When you're doing this, you want to let them sit just for a couple of minutes in the dredge. But with fish, you don't want it to get it up to room temperature. It has to stay cold. It'll spoil really, really quickly. So you got to be careful when you're doing this. But here's what you want it to look like. You know, not a whole lot on there. And that'll be perfect for a sandwich. I'm going to spray a little spray in here. No, I like that they make this in duck fat and they make it in olive oil, and I ran out. This one's canola oil, which is not my favorite, but it's not terrible. And then when you put them in here, give it a little bit of shot on the top, and that'll help them brown up. And these things will cook really quick. Keep your eye on them. They'll cook, probably under 10 minutes on 400 degrees. It'll be really fast. And while those fish are cooking, I'm just going to make a real quick tartar sauce. There is a video that I did on how to do this, so I'm just going to do it here. I'm not gonna make a separate video. And you could add or subtract, you know, whatever you want. I'm not going to make a whole lot because this is only for one sandwich. So all it is, a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of, this one is sweet pickle relish, Heinz, some capers, I'm almost out, a little bit of lemon juice. And this is not typical, but I like to put a little bit of Tabasco in it. And just a tiny little bit of Dijon style mustard. Not much at all. Let's see how this tastes. All right. It's good. Put that in the fridge. Really, you should do this a couple of hours before. It'll be all right. All right, they didn't come out quite as brown as I wanted. I don't think I sprayed them with enough oil. And then hopefully they didn't stick, because I didn't spray a whole lot of oil on the bottom either. So let me get the tartar sauce. I got a little bit of lettuce there. I toasted the bread a little bit, and I pulled some of the guts out of it because I didn't want the sandwich too bready. And it's probably going to be messy in the beard. All right, let's see if these stuck. Well, that one did good. All right, here is that. Looks pretty good. Good. I like them baked pretty good. I like them fried as well. This fish, that swai, is really mild, but it's really good. This is a good sandwich.